Well, that's a bad baby right there, isn't it? Gorilla Glue. So Alex is gonna take some worm juice home with him, and it's nice to have some, make more tomatoes than you can eat and share with your friends, or have more, fertilizer that you're making natural, like the Worm Letchea, and share the extra with your friends. Don't always think about making a buck. You can't buy a friend in a hard time, but a friend will get you a lot further than a buck ever will. That's just my 2 cents on that. So anyways, guys.
Garden gold, garden gold. This is the garden gold. That is the gold right there. That's what you want for your garden.
Oh, buddy, nothing like it. And it doesn't matter if you can buy nutrients and things online, or if there is no computers, you'll still have your worm juice no matter what. So Alex is going to take this right home and use it. This doesn't store well. That's one reason you can't ship it and buy it online. It's got full of living microorganisms, and
right on my plants as soon as I get home.
That's right.
Within an hour.
Well, that's fair enough today. So I'm glad I got extra that I can share. Anytime I want some juice, I just got to turn on the drip hose inside there, and for 15 minutes, and 5 or 7 gallons will come out, and we'll catch it, and that's it. So much on the vermiculture Worm Letchea. It helps too to have a lot. A lot of people told me at first when I was going to get a worm farm, oh, mine all died, man, but they just had them in a little bitty like cooler chest. When you get 2,000 pounds, they're going to make it, and put them in a good place. They're going to survive summer and winter. All right, we're over and out.